Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new special phrase of the day episode from Linguamid. In each episode, I introduce one daily use phrase in both modern standard Arabic and also in Egyptian Arabic. Before I dive into today's phrase, don't forget to check my first comment and enroll for 100% free in my online course Egyptian Arabic 101. It's designed for complete beginner and aims to give you the foundation that you need in order to start learning the Egyptian Arabic dialect. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share this video if you found it useful.
If you want to say I can't speak Arabic, so أنا مش قادر أتكلم عربي. مش قادر. I can't. مش قادر. If you are a female, you say مش قادرة. مش قادرة. So أنا مش قادرة أتكلم عربي. Okay? If you just say I don't speak Arabic, so أنا مش بتكلم عربي. أنا مش بتكلم عربي. Okay? Or أنا مش بتكلم عربي. But if you want to say I can't, it's أنا مش قادر or مش قادرة. This is how we say it in Egyptian. If you want to say I can't speak Arabic in modern standard Arabic, it's a bit more than this or more complicated than this. We just say أنا لا أستطيع أن أتكلم العربية. Know the difference? Note how we make it easier to pronounce in Egyptian. So in modern standard Arabic, أنا لا أستطيع, instead of مش قادر, أنا لا أستطيع أن أتكلم العربية. Okay? أنا لا أستطيع أن أتكلم العربية. And as we know, in modern standard Arabic, it doesn't matter if you are a male or female speaker, it is the same. So أنا لا أستطيع أن أتكلم العربية. Or if you want to say I don't speak, أنا لا أتكلم العربية. أنا لا أتكلم. لا أستطيع is I can't speak.
Did you find the phrase easy? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the Egyptian Arabic 101 course. Enrollment in the comment section below.